It's Christmas time. In the Southwest, that means tamale season. Ever since my mom and I took a tamales making class in Santa Fe, I've enjoyed making them and riffing on the format with some pretty non-traditional ingredients. With my Christmas trip coming up, I've been trying to figure out how to make tamales a camping-friendly menu item. Typically, they're steamed for a very long time in order to cook the masa, which would eat up a lot of fuel. Then I stumbled upon a story about prison tamales. The short of it is, incarcerated folks yearning for a taste of home have managed to create something much like tamales using only commissary staples and a microwave.
Yeah, prep dinner.
The key to this shortcut dough is Doritos.
I have no idea how much I'm going to need. Say a lot. Just to be sure. Let that marinate for a while. All right, now we wait. I am undeterred. We are making these tamales by hook or by crook. Oh, I still have wine. Yay. Let's get this tamales party started. So our masa has been soaking for a couple hours now. I still think it could have been ground finer. I gave up. The next thing we need is a fat. So it should be a fat that solidifies when it gets cold because that helps the tamale keep its shape. So we're using butter. We have to melt it to mix it in. I also didn't bring a skillet because I was planning on Pieiron cooking, but we're going to use it like a skillet. It's just a frying pan with a really long handle. You could simmer from a distance. How much butter? I don't know. 2 big pats. I'm going to turn that off. Yeah, I'm going to try and get it in there. Don't melt a hole in the bag. Don't melt a hole in the bag. Oh yeah, that's coming together nicely. Oh yeah. Let's get all our ingredients ready. Got some hot green chilies. Now in prison, in our jail, they would use summer sausage and soaked pork rinds and all kinds of stuff. As a free person, I'm able to buy this at the grocery store. This is just shredded seasoned pork and then a little cheese. Cheese I don't think is traditional, but you know, I like cheese. So that's just shredded mozzarella because I had it and it melts easy. Come on, Mama. One more. There we go. So we need a ball of masa. I don't know how much to fit in here. Baseball size. And normally when you make tamales, you gotta kind of do the thing and then you do like a pocket and you put your meat in there and you pinch it all around it. We are assembling in place. So I am just gonna mash that in there. And we need our chilies. Put some chilies. Oh yeah. A lot. Because I ordered the spicy Doritos and I got plain nacho, so. Cheese. And our filling. Oh, that looks pretty good for some convenience stuff. Just gonna put that. Come on, let go. I don't want to overstuff because I do that all the time. Okay, that's probably too much already. Oh, you know what? Need more cheese. Always more cheese. Yeah, like that. Enough to make a lid. I'm gonna make it like a pancake. Oh, I am getting it everywhere. My stove is gonna smell like Doritos. As predicted, overfilled. It's more like a tamale pie. Okay, we need to. The other side was buttered still, but we're gonna. You know what else I was supposed to do is put foil in here because I'm making brownies later. So we might have some spicy brownies. I'm gonna turn it down to like medium. Hey, that actually sits pretty well. I did all right this time. While that is cooking away, I'm gonna do some cleanup. Clean as you go. Oh, that's looking good. It totally smells like Doritos. Oh, this side's even better. Oh, yeah. Right. 1, 2, 3. Gotta let it cool for a little bit. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. If I can wait 10 minutes. Longest 10 minutes of my life. Ooh. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Alright, it's a little more fragile than I'd hoped. You know, you can pick it up. Wow. I am shocked at how tamale-like that is. I may have overdone it with the chilies, but I don't care. Exposure. Someday we'll get it. Not too bad. We got the cheese. Yeah, would do again.